Okay, well, I've posted some pictures of this car and truck combo online. People go crazy for it. It was last registered '09. June of '09 was when the last plate expired. But it's like a 71 Dodge D300 rollback. Let's see if I can open the door. Oh, I can. Oh, jeez. Okay. Originally tan interior. Automatic on the column. That's surprising. 413, I believe. Maybe it looks like the whole truck was gold with a tan interior. But never seen the steering wheel quite like that. It's pretty solid though. And then on the back is a 1968 Dodge Coronet 500. People didn't know that there was a Dodge Coronet 500 model, and it's a convertible. Someone added the rear stripe. Let's see if, this one doesn't work. Gotta watch the tree. Automatic on the column with bucket seats. Keys are in the ignition. That's pretty cool. Yellow car, white interior, black dash as of this viewing. Gotta watch out for the tree. But overall, I mean, there is rust, but it's not terrible. And unfortunately, it is right next to a creek bed. But that's one of my favorite Mopar taillights. A little bit of mold, a little bit of moss. But still a very solid car. Really need to get them out of here and get them cleaned up. But there it is. I think, like I said, we think it's like a 71 Dodge D300 ramp truck. And there's a lot more here. Watch the next video to see the rest. The next video will be of the entire yard, but it's so cool that, as you can see in this picture, the rollback was in the upper left-hand corner, and that's actually where you came into the property. This was the first thing you saw, and it definitely made a statement for what the rest of the day was absolutely going to be. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from my friend's yard. That rollback is really cool. In all my travels, I've only seen a handful of rollbacks like that. Usually they're either bigger or they're like, late 70s style trucks and such. I'll post some pictures of a few of that I know about. But that's the only one that I've ever seen in that style. And how cool is it that the 68 Coronet 500 was on the back too? I mean, that just adds to the look, even though it wasn't done on purpose. But trust me, the next video will be from the rest of that yard, and then I think I'll be putting in some of my first drone footage in the videos after that. So keep watching. If you have any comments or questions, of course, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. You guys stay safe. I'll see you soon. Also, I wanted to mention that I will be attending the Hot Rod Power Tour this year. We're going from Atlanta, Georgia, and we're ending in Bristol, Tennessee. So, should be a good one. A lot of places that we haven't been before. And I'm not quite sure what's going to all happen, but I will be posting on my social media with links to all of the shenanigans. But I'll talk to you soon.